webpage looks fine, right? But behind the scenes, it might be completely brain dead. So let's fix that today with HTML head section. So what does the head section of your website actually do? It is basically like the control center of your website. It doesn't show up on the page, but it tells the browser everything it needs to know about your page. So, for example, this part where it says title hello world, and if we click go live, so as you can see, the title tells the browser that your website is called hello world, which makes it pop up there. And basically all of the title, settings, metadata, and all the smart stuff goes inside of the head tag. You can see that meta tags are tiny pieces of information that helps browsers, search engines, and devices to understand your website. If you write meta charset equals UTF-8, then we close it. Basically what this does is it basically makes sure that all of your text on your website displays correctly, and also emojis as well. Then we also have meta name equals viewport, content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1. And I know that this seems like a lot, and also I've got to close it. But I know that this one seems like a lot, but it basically just makes your website responsive, like it works on a mobile screen. And then we also have meta name equals description, content equals learn HTML basic. And what this one does is it basically tells the web browser what your website is about, and it also helps SEO, which we're going to go through as well in a future video. And also inside of the head tag, you also use your link, for example, for your style sheet, which is the CSS, and then you write rel equals style sheet, which basically describes what it is, and href equals style.css, which we do not have at the moment, but in the next video we're going to go through CSS. Also, if you are using some kind of icon, you can also write it like this in here. Then click icon and write href equals icon dot SVG, for example, if you have one. But yes, so that is basically the head tag, and it might look invincible, and you may think that you do not see it, so maybe it's not important, but this is basically what the web browser is reading through. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and also comment if you have any feedback or questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!